Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur, and I am back with another video. This video is another look, Halloween-esque look, but this is inspired by an Instagram filter. Last year I had done a Snapchat filter over, and now we're going to do Instagram. Yeah. So if you want to see how I do my little twist on this filter, go ahead and continue to watch. But first, I want you to subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell down below for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you're notified. Thumbs up this video, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know what's up. You already know. You already know. Join that flower gang. Let's get into the video. Remember to bloom, because a flower is simply a soul blossoming in nature. So as you can see, my face is done. I wanted to start out with like my base already, because the gist, the meat of the look is after I already have on my makeup. You know, when you get on and you put that filter on, usually your makeup's already done. So I didn't get to show you guys the filter. So here's the filter. It was created by, I don't know. Don't get me to lying. Don't get me to lying. So this is the filter. It has freckles and pink dollar signs. So we're going to recreate this, but I'm going to do it in my own way. I'm really excited about this. I can't wait. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start with the freckles. So for the freckles, we're going to go in and use this Wet n Wild H2O Pro eyeliner. This is in the color dark brown. Start dabbing it on my face randomly. Okay, so now that my faux freckles are done, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start making the lines for the dollar signs. So I couldn't find the pencil I was looking for. I'm just gonna go in with this Cocoa lip pencil, and I'm just going to start randomly drawing dollar signs or S's on my face. I'm actually gonna use this picture as reference because I don't want them to be like super spaced out, but I don't want them to be like close together because there's only a few of them. It's not a lot of them. The dollar signs are actually already looking cool. Like, it already looks cool. There are some that end up in the hair, but we're not going to take it that far. So in the filter, as you saw, they are pink, but we're taking it up a notch because it's Halloween and we want to do something a little different. So we are changing the color, baby. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go with this small brush. It's actually a brush that you can use for your nails, but it's kind of small, and I didn't want to use like a makeup brush that's kind of long. I want it to be really controlled. I'm going to go in with some Lash Glue, and I'm just going to put this on the end of this brush. And we're going to take it dollar sign by dollar sign. We're just going to basically trace over that brown. So you can see that glue there, and then I'm just going to go over and do the line as well. I'm just going to take a little bit more glue. I'm just going to bring it up like that. And what I'm going to do, I hope this works since I can't find my tweezer. I have a thumbtack. I'm going to just dab that in there, right? Let it dry a little bit. Let's hope this works. And we're going to take my little dime bag of pearls. And I'm just going to like poke it, grab it on the thumbtack, and just like thumbtack myself. like that. Why? I don't know why I don't have one of those nail picker-upper things, but yeah. So when it starts to fall off, all you have to do is just add more glue to it. And honestly, like, look at the tools I'm using. This also goes to show, like, if you don't have something, you can still create looks and just be resourceful and, like, literally just use whatever you have. Like, it doesn't have to stop you because you can't, not afford, but, like, you don't have something in that moment. Girl, just make it work. You can't find it in your house? Make it work. Boom. So all you have to do now is just literally repeat that through all of them. So I'm gonna do a few off camera just to kind of like speed up the video. I don't want to be here all night just like boop 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 boop. But I'm just gonna show you just, you know, when I come back, probably end up right here when I come back. Okay, so see you guys in a few. Okay, flowers, so I'm back and I want to do the last dollar sign. We did the first one together. I want to do the last one just to reiterate how to do it. For those people who learn a little slower, you want to dab it in some Lash Glue and just kind of right over that dollar sign. Doesn't have to be perfect because it dries clear, so. Take a thumbtack because I can't find my picker thing or my tweezer, and it's actually easier using this. You're just going to place it over the glue. That's pretty much it. All we really have to do is our lips. So if you look at the filter closely, the lips are like overlined. It makes you look kind of like a Bratz doll. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and overline my lips. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my Beauty Bakerie Snickerdoodle lip gloss, and I'm just going to put this all over my lip and my new Cupid's bow. So a few tips before you, when you're doing this, make sure you have enough time. If you don't want to do all of the bejewels because it is very tedious and it takes a while, you can just do the first step where I just kind of drew the dollar signs on, and then you can do that with any color if you have that liner. And then what I would do is go in with like a neon pigment if you have it, or an eyeshadow of that color of the, just to dab it in and just to make it a little bit more pigmented and brighter. So that is like your other option. To like not having to do all the pearls, but I just thought this made it, the look a lot more expensive and all of that good stuff. So hope you guys enjoy it. Let's model it out. See you guys in my next video.